evening, and welcome back to PWTRN with your host, Mosey Along. And tonight on We Review Sunday, well, we're going to talk about those drones exploding at NATO territory. It comes as a developing story out of Eastern Europe, one that's already raised alarms across NATO and energy security analysts worldwide. Again, all my viewers should confirm details with trusted news outlets as the situation continues to unfold, especially with PWTRELYNEWS, who tells the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Yesterday, a drone exploded inside NATO territory, landing just meters away from a major natural gas transmission pipeline. The blast occurred near a protected energy corridor that feeds fuel into several allied nations. While the explosion did not rupture the pipeline, the proximity alone has triggered immediate investigation. Authorities on the ground report that debris from the drone scattered across a wide area, a wide radius, prompting security teams to cordon off the area. Engineers inspected the pipeline for structural damage, and early assessments show the line remains intact. Still, the incident is being treated as a deliberate my mouth just is not keeping up with the words tonight. Provocation until proven otherwise. The question now is really quite simple. How did a drone reach this location and who launched it? NATO officials have not released conclusions, but they have confirmed that the drone crossed into Alliance territory before detonating. Whether the explosion was intentional or accidental remains under review. Energy analysts warn that even a near miss can have consequences. Europe's gas infrastructure is not only an economic lifeline, partners, it's a strategic one. A strike on a pipeline can disrupt supply, destabilize markets, and force nations to reroute energy at significant cost. That's why yesterday's and now today's incident is being examined, not just as a security breach, but as a potential test of NATO's response posture. Local residents reported hearing a sharp detonation followed by smoke rising from the impact zone. Emergency crews arrived within minutes, and military investigators followed soon after. No injuries have been reported. For now, NATO has increased surveillance along the corridor and is analyzing drone fragments to determine origin, flight path, and intent. Officials say they will release findings once they have verified the data. This, partners, is a developing story, and We Review will continue to follow updates as they become available. Again, listeners and viewers should always confirm details with trusted news sources as official reports involved, and that includes PWTRELYNEWS, where the truth always comes first. So keep alert, keep informed, and go over to pwtrelynews.kinsta.cloud, CLOUD, and see what's really happening in our world. Because you may wake up one day with that pipeline supposedly coming down either from Canada or Alaska, and it may be targeted by a drone nobody is claiming to have sent. Thank you for joining me this evening, and we'll see you tomorrow bright and early.